Well, hello everybody. Yeah, we're with our neighbor Felix. They got a piece of land for sale right next to their property. If you look right up the hill there, in the midst of, on the other side of those trees there, is where Felix and his family live. The land here goes down to basically about where the trees start there. It does not include the rice fields here, but right down to the rice fields. And then it goes up to Tom's fence here. This is where Tom lives in his new house. It goes up to the fence and follows the fence up here back to, there are some coconut trees in there. And it's basically before the palm oil trees up to the coconut trees, so includes all this brush in here. See if I can get up. It's got a beautiful view going this direction, and that would be towards the south, looking up into the mountains, going away from the main road. If I can get back up here a little bit, these are palm oil trees here, and the line actually goes up to where the palm oil trees are here. So he doesn't know exactly how big it is, and that it's all on a, I should say, kind of a west exposure. It slants down towards the west here. Like I said, plenty of building sites here. And of course, you're always looking for some type of access to a low spot where you can dig a well. And as I kind of walk down the hill here, you get a better idea of it. So, like I said, it's got a downhill slant towards the west here. There is an access road, an old access road that comes in here that really needs to be cut again. And that, so Beth and Felix walk down this way. I'm not sure what they're looking at down here. We'll kind of walk that direction. How far back up does it go here? Just to the...
Just straight here. Here there is the concrete pole.
I'm following Beth right down now.
Yeah.
The concrete, that's the corner?
Yeah, this is the corner, straight down to the...
This is how they mark the property here. It's a concrete post in the ground, yeah. And then it goes up. Not included there, straight. Oh, straight this way?
Yeah.
Actually goes on an angle straight this way. Does not include the palm oil trees?
No.
Okay. Does not include the palm oil trees. So it's kind of a triangular site here. And that runs...
Here to the corner.
Yeah, Beth is walking down the hill here, and actually, yeah, pointing up in that direction. It follows kind of the edge of the rice fields here, all the way to Tom's fence over here, and then up Tom's fence, and then basically it follows the line of the palm oil trees here, and you can definitely tell the palm oil trees and that. So it's kind of a triangular shape here. with the low corner being down here, which would be the good place for any type of a well or that. And of course the high side here, if you wanted a fairly decent view, would be up towards probably the corner up here. And kind of adjacent to Tom's property here. Yeah, and especially back up. Like I said, I'm tripping over stuff here. Kind of follows the line of the palm oil trees here. So all this brush right here and that. And all the way back up in the corner. So if you wanted a fairly high elevation and that, the place to actually build would be up in the corner here. And that, which would get you probably good reception for your cell phone. Actually, the coconut tree there, I said, is kind of the boundaries, and goes all the way up to the corner here. So yeah, so in order to get some elevation, yeah, you'd be, matter of fact, if you build here and build 2 stories with a porch on the 2nd floor, you can probably see Cebu over the top of Tom's house here. You can almost see it, me standing on the ground here. So I'm gonna let you go, and that if you have any questions, we'll try to answer them, get a price on it. He doesn't know for sure how many square meters it is, but we'll get back to you. Thanks much for viewing, like and subscribe.